So, in this week, we should start with the dictionary type of the Python programming language. Okay? This is the first topic of our lesson today. After that, we will continue with the conditional statements: if, else, while, and loop. Okay? And so, dictionary is a type of the Python programming language, or more likely meaning the data structure that is used for searching operation. Okay? Or it's more like it's kind of the database. Okay? Such as we can build the hash table, map, lookup table. Okay? This kind of information needs some specific key and values, and so if we want to create the hash table or map or lookup table, and we can use the dictionary type of the Python. Okay? And so this is also a built-in type, which means that the Python includes the whole data or data types related to dictionary types, and then we can utilize the dictionary keywords or the types or the database or data structure without using any import operation. Okay? And so the syntax is simple. We should create the fancy parenthesis like this one in here, and so we should give also the key double dot, and we should give also a value, and we should give another key and another value. Okay? And go so on. So in order to understand how can we use this structure in Python, we should give some specific examples in here. Firstly, how can we create the dictionary type in Python? We should use the fancy parenthesis in here like this one, and for example the key is equal to the Ali in this case, and 1 2 3 can be assigned in here, and so Veli, it's a key, and 444 is the value of the Veli and Kamil is 12. Okay? And so if I print all this data in here like this one, and then we will have this kind of output: Ali 1 2 3, Veli 444, and Kamil 12. Okay? Or we can print the type of this data in here like this one, and so the class dict possess whole of this information in here. Okay? So we can create some other examples in here like this one. For example, we can define the cities in here like this one, and so the Ankara is the key of its sub-cities. For example, Çankaya or Ulus or Kızılay. Okay? So we can define this key in here, but the values of this key is a kind of the list. Okay? And so we can create another cities in here like this one, the Tekirdağ and Malkara and Çorlu and Saray. Okay? Or we can define another cities in here, Edirne, and then we can store the Keşan, Uzunköprü, Meriç. Okay? And so these cities kept the Çankaya, Ulus, and Kızılay subcities of these major cities. Okay? And so we can print the whole cities like this one: Ankara, Çankaya, Tekirdağ, and Edirne. With the three elements of the subcities of these cities. Okay? And so how can we reach the key or the it's related to key value. Okay, and so how can we obtain the data or values of the what for these keys? We can call it the what the strict parenthesis operator in here, like this one, and so the key must be given in this time. Okay, and so if I write the Ankara into this parenthesis like this one, and so this returns to the what its subsets or the values of these things. Okay, and so if I run this code, and then we will have the Çankaya, Ulus, and Kızılay. For example, we can call the what the Edirne in here, like this one. And so the Keşan, Uzunköprü, and Meriç is seen on the what the terminal page. Okay. But if we have this kind of information like this one, for example, the Istanbul can be searched by using this algorithm, and there is no syntax error in here, but right now in here, because it's the semantic error. Because if I run this code, and then this code returns to the key error in here, because we don't have any key in the cities like the Istanbul. Okay. This is syntax error, more like this semantic error, because the utilization of the dictionary is correct in here, but in runtime we will get the error in here like this one. Okay. And so we can define another dictionary like this one. Ali is values of this dictionary, but the 10 it's related keys. Okay, and so we can also define like this one, Veli 20. Okay, or we can create the the Selami with the 12.4. Okay, and so if I call the D10, 10 is in the type of the integer, but in this dictionary values we have the key value in here with the integer type. Okay, and so if I call or if I run this code, we will get the Ali. Okay, or we can call the Veli value in here. Veli is the keys of the of our dictionary values, and so this returns to the 20. In most programming language, we cannot utilize the Veli or string character in the in the parentheses. Okay, because inside this parenthesis or within this parenthesis we should give the information of the integer type 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and so but in the Python every variables has an object of the specific classes. Okay, which means that we have the operator overloading mechanisms in a built-in way. Okay. What if print instead print D20 is also given an error? Okay, because we don't have any information related to 20 in here, because 20 must be stored in the in the key values or the left hand side of the double dot operator. Okay, Mohammed. Okay. So if we can another point in here like this one, 12.4 in here, Mehmet. And so if I copy of all of these things in here like this one, and then 12.4, and so if I run this code, the Mehmet is seen on this page. But in C or C++ programming language, we cannot utilize the float value within this parenthesis. Okay, just remember that this is the example of the operator overloading mechanism on the Python programming language. Okay. So how can we obtain the values of the or for the specific keys in here? For example, if we have the any dictionary in here like this one, 1, 2 and 12 is the what? The Muhammad. Okay. And so if I print the what? The 2, and so this returns to the what? The Mehmet values. Okay, because Mehmet is in the right hand side of this code, and so the double dot operator is related to the what? The key of 2. Okay, and so if I'm calling the any dictionary values, I must use the what? The key values. Okay, or if I change this code in here like this one, this returns to the what? The Muhammad. Okay, or we can utilize the get function in here. The return value of the get function is the what? The key. Okay, or related to key values. Okay, and so if I call the get function in here like this one, these two identical operation is given at this page. Okay, and so if I call the whole list in here with this footage or this one, okay, these are the same. So in dictionary values, we can initialize the dictionary by using some other techniques or the other operators in here. For example, if we have the any list in here with the name of the L, and so we can call it the what? The 1 Adana and 1 Eskişehir and 6 Ankara. Okay. If I write this code like this one, and then this list have the 3 tuples with the what? With 1 number and 1 string values, and so we can initialize this string with the what? With the utilization of the dictionary values or the type operator, type function. Okay, and so if I call the D in here, and then we will have the dictionary values of these things. Okay, or we can get the values of the what? The 26. Okay, and so we will have the Eskişehir. Okay, but if I add this one, Muhammad 100, because Muhammad always asks a question in this lesson. Okay, and so I can give the what? The Muhammad in here like this one. And so there is no syntax error in here. Okay, do you understand how can we use this dictionary value in order to what? In order to convert to any other term or coming from the any other types. Okay. Do you understand that? Okay, so now we have the 3 values in here like this one, 24, and so if I run this code, this dictionary values returns to the what? The value error. Dictionary update sequence elements 0, 1 as length 3, but 2 is required. Okay, and so if we have this tuple in here like this one, the left hand side values is assigned to the key and right hand side is assigned to the what? The values. But if I have this term in here, there is no error with the definition of the list values, but in the conversion of the dictionary we will get error. Okay. So we can initialize the dictionaries like this one: Ali 100, Veli 200, and the Faruk 300. Okay, and so if I print the values in here like this one, and so we will have the Ali, Veli, and Faruk. Okay, we can also initialize the what? The dictionary values in here, but if we say these things in here, like this one, Veli Ali, and so if I run again this code and then we will get error because the expression cannot contain the assignment, because the 100 is seen from the Python is the what is the literal values, and so Python converts the any words into the string values, but we cannot convert everything in here like this one, and so this integer value cannot be converted to automatically to string values. Okay, but if I run again this code in here like this one, and so we will get another error in here, because if we assign or assignment operator is used in here like this one, and so we should give the what always to the word values. Okay, and so we will get error, and so we will get errors. Only utilization is that A100 is a literal in here like this one 100, and so if we have this information and then we can use in here like this one. Okay. Or we can give the or we can initialize the dictionary values with the what like this one 44 34 is Ağrı, 26 Eskişehir, okay, and 35 İzmir, and 34 Istanbul. Okay, and so what happened if I run this code? Because we have the two same keys in the what in the D dictionary, and so if I run this code, there should not be an error. There is no syntax error in here, but we have the one values in here for a specific key. For example, we define the Ağrı with the keys of the 34, but the Istanbul is assigned to 34, and 26 Eskişehir, 25 İzmir. Okay, and so the rule is that at the end of this code or the last term with the same keys is current for this operation, not the first one. Okay, which means that if I had one more 34 in here with the name of Ali, and then we will have the 34 Ali is in here. Okay. So can define the any other values in here like this one 2 Veli and 3 Selami. Okay, so we can print the 3 value in here like this one. Okay, and Selami is seen on the terminal page. But if I change these key values with the what, with the, for example, Mehmet, and so if I run again this code, and then they will get the what, the Mehmet values. Okay, or we can print the whole the dictionary values in here like this one. In the first place we have the Selami like this one. In the second place we change the values of the what, the 3 keys. Okay. Any question? Okay. So how can we assign the new key and values in Python? For example, we have the 1 Ali, 2 Veli, 3 Faruk. Okay. What happens if I call the d values with these terms? For example, we have the 10 values within the parentheses, but we don't have the any key values with the what with equals to the what the 10 values. And so, what happens if I run this code? If I run this code and then the Kamil is added with the key of the 10 into the what? Into this dictionary values. Okay? And so, if I add some specific key or operators to the what, to our dictionary values, we will have this information in here. And so, if I need to add some values and keys into the new dictionary or dictionary type, and so I can just use easily this syntax. Okay. Or we have the what, the for, in, and in not operators. For example, we have the d value in here, like this one. I can copy off all of these things in here, like this one, and then what? We can check the key 3 is included in the what, the d dictionary. For example, 3 is stored with the what, with the d values or d object in here, and then this returns to the what, the true values of our objects. Okay. Or we can print the what, the Ali in d, and so this is returns to the what, the false value, because Ali is not the key. And then we will conclude that by using this information, dictionary can only be searched with the what or using the key, not the values. Okay. We cannot check the values of the what, our dictionary, but if we have this information in here, like this one, for example, Faruk is included in here. And so if I run this code returns to the what, the false value, because 2 is indicating to the what, the value. But if I choose the 3 value in here, like this one, and so this goes to what, or returns to the true values. Okay. Any question? Okay. We can cast the whole operators or the objects by using the what, another constructor. Okay. Casting to different type. And so the one is assigned with Ali, Veli, Kamil, for Ayşe, and 99, for example, Faruk. And so we can convert the whole terms into the what to d value. Okay, but which term is converted into the what, the least value? It's always to what, the keys value. Okay, and so these keys are converted into the what, the least value, not the values of this dictionary type. Okay, or we can use the tuple in here, like this one. And so we have the tuple values in here, like this one. Okay, so can create some specific example in here, like this one. For example, if we have some lookup table in here, like this one, as a dictionary, we can create the lookup table in here, lookup table, with the terms of what the apple is equal to 100, banana is equal to the 50, orange 75, and grape 150. Okay, firstly, we can print the whole values of the initial lookup table in here, like this one, the print lookup table. And so if I run this code, and then we will have the 100 banana, orange, and grape is included in the terminal page. Okay, so our question is that we need to search to some specific keywords in here, like this one. We want to know how much money should be consumed to get the orange. Okay, and so if conditional statement can be used in the key to search in the lookup table in here, like this one. And so if there is in here, and then we can give the key to search and lookup table key to search. Okay, otherwise we will have the f key to search is not found. Okay, in this case. And so if I run this code, and then the orange is written on the terminal page. Okay, so we can search of the whole of the terms in here, like this one, or with the usage of this syntax, or we can search the banana banana in here, the lookup table, and we can delete this lookup table banana value. Okay, and so we can print the lookup table in here, like this one, and then the banana is removed from the dictionary. Okay, so any question? I'm sorry guys, I have a little bit of sick. Okay, if there's no question, we will continue with the dictionary methods. Okay, methods. So in the first place, we should give some explanation about the copy process in the dictionary type. Okay, firstly we will have the 1 Ali, 2 Veli, 3 Selami. Okay, and so we can create another dictionary values or dictionary type objects by using the dcopy function. Okay, and so if I run this code with these terms in here, like this one, and then we will have the Ali, Veli, Selami, and in the second place we will have the Ali, Veli, and Selami. Okay, but what happened if I change the key 1 values Ali with the 1, 2, 3? Okay, And so if I print this code again in here like this one, and then we will have in the second place, or at the right hand side of this output, we have the 1, 2, 3 with the 4 the 1 key values. Okay, but for the k values in here, there is nothing change with the what, with the values of the 1. Okay, and so this must be what, the different address. Okay. So for the keys, values, and especially items should be described in this session. For example, if we have the 1 Ali, 2 Veli, and 3 Kamil. Okay, and so we will obtain the whole the keys with the function of the what, the keys value. Okay, or we can obtain the whole the values with the what, with the values function, or we can reach the whole the items. Items means that it's the collection of the what, the key plus values. Okay, the items. Okay, and so we can print this data in here like this one. The keys, type of the keys can be given here. Here. Okay, and so dictionary keys is the type of these terms in here, or we can write the values of this dictionary, or we can print the whole items stored within these dictionary values. Okay. These terms are generally used in the for and while structure, or the while and for loops, because if we want to reach the keys and values within one context, like the tuple or any other type which is given in the dictionary values, and then we can use these keywords to what, to obtain the total collective keys and the values from or for a given dictionary values. For example, if you have the 1000 keys and 1000 values, and so we can search the whole values by using what, these terms, because if we change these values in here like this one, the list key, and then the 1, 2, 3 is written in the format or the type of the list values. Okay, and so we can easily search the whole values by using these terms. Okay. Or we can pop the 3 values in or from this dictionary. For example, if we use this function in here like this one, the 3 or the keys of 3 is removed from this what, dictionary values. Okay, and so if I run again this code, and so the key 2 is removed from this what, dictionary objects. Okay, for an update we can utilize the another function. Okay, updates, and so we can copy of all of these things in here like this one. We can update our dictionary values in here with the utilization of the what, the sum list can be given in here, 6 Aydın and 7 Sibel can be reloaded to the what, to the update function, and then we can print the d values in here like this one, and so the 6 and 7 are added to this dictionary values. Okay, any question? Okay, if there is no question, we should return to the what the string type. It's the basic type of the Python programming language, okay? But it's also kind of the what dictionary values in what Python programming language. And so the string is the immutable class type, which means that we cannot change its values after the initialization process. Okay? str class is represented to the what? To the string values. So if I have this information in here like this one, then we can create the some strings in here. For example, Ankara. And so is Ankara is given in here, I can reach the second values of Ankara, the K, okay? Or we can print the what 2 to 4 value in here, K. Or we can reach the what up to 4 in this Anka. Or we can write everything in the reverse order, okay? Arachna. But we cannot update this value like this one, for example M. Because str object or string object does not support the item assignment in here, which means that it's immutable, okay? Any question? Syntax error. If there is no question, we will proceed with another example in here. For example, if I have the Ankara like this one, we can convert by using the constructor of the any type or any class in here like this one. For example, if I use the list constructor method, and so each character is assigned to one variable of this list. Or we can initialize all the values in here like this one, and so this tuple has the what these characters, okay, with a different index. Or can print the len values in here like this one, so it's called the what the 6 value, okay? Or we can search to any character in S. For example, K is included in here, and so this goes to returns to the what the true values, okay? Or can give the another example with the what the S, Ankara, Izmir, and Istanbul, okay? And so we can check the Ankara in S in here, because the compiler sees only one string character in here, but in the operator overloading mechanism, especially for the in here, returns to the true. And so we can check the any words for a given string, okay? Or can say that the Ali, and so I can give one empty space in here, and then we can print all of these terms, and so this syntax simply collects all the words into the one, okay? Any question? So if there's no question, we can continue with the string methods, okay? For example, if we have the Malkara character or string in here, we can call the center function related to the string character in here like this one with the 20. And so what's the output of these things? Output of these things equals to the what? The Malkara is centered on this character with the what? With the length of the 20, okay? Or if I use these terms in here, it's more observable, like this one, okay? we can add some characters into the left and right hand side of this word. Okay, or we can take some specific character in here, like this one, the find function, the L. The L is stored in in the second index, or more like the third index. Okay, or we can count of A, for example, with the utilization of the count function. Okay, and in Malkara we have 3 A is stored. Okay, and so we can assign any other string value in here with the comma. Okay, and so we can print the as join function in here, like this one, the Ali, Veli, and Selami. Okay, and so if I run this code and then the comma is joined with this list nomination and returns to the string values. Okay, Muhammad, 20 means that this Malkara has 20 characters, but the Malkara is put into the center of this 20 character. For example, we have the XXX in here and XXX in here, and so if I use the center function in here with the 20, and so the string is created with the 20 character but empty space, and then the center puts Malkara into the center in here, and then the X is stored or add to this string objects. Okay, you get it? Mohammed? Okay. Or we can utilize this nomination, because this is the string value or string character, and so this also possesses to any function or any methods that string possess. Okay, and so if I run this code in here, and so Ali plus Veli plus Selami is joined in here. Okay, or if we have any string in here, like this one, Ali, Veli, Kamil, and then we can split whole this string with for the based on the comma operator, and then this comma splits into these strings into the list of these each words. Okay, or we can use the the partition function. For example, as Ali, Veli, Selami in here, we can add the left hand side values in here, like this one, and so as partition returns the tuple values with the basis of the Veli, and so at the left hand side of Veli we have the Ali, and Ali is assigned to the left. The other parts, the middle, is assigned to the Veli, and right is assigned to the Selami. Okay. Or we can replace any character in here. Mehmet is going to school. Print as replace function the Mehmet, and this is changed with the Ali. And so in the final place we have the Ali is going to school, because Mehmet is replaced with the Ali. Okay. So any question? If there is no question, we have the last topic related to the string character in here, and so For example, if we have the variable with the Ali and K value, and then Z can be calling with the what S plus K. Okay, it's the operator overloading of the what the Python programming language. And so Ali and Veli is added to another one. And also I can give the what the some empty space in here like this one. Okay, or we can create the some function in here like this one as upper and as lower can be calling by using these terms. In this case, the higher Malkara and lowest Malkara is seen on the terminal page. Okay, or we can compare the both two strings in here like this one: A Mehmet, B Ali. And so if I check the S and K in here like this one, A and B, I'm sorry, this returns to the what? The false. Or B is greater than A, and so this is false. And or the A is greater than Ali, because the Mehmet is greater than Ali, A, B, C, D, blah blah blah, M is bigger than A, and so this returns to what? The true. Okay. Or we can create some another example in here. For example, A equal 10, B equal 3, and S can be assigned with what? The 0 value, and the B is the 1 value in here. This is like the %d operator in C programming language. And so if I use the format function in here, and so 0 and 1 are filled with the what? The A and B. Okay. And so if I print these terms in here, and A and B is replaced with the what? The 0 and 1. Okay. Or we can use the strings in here like this one, the F A square can be given with the what? The A times A, and B square is equal to the what? The B times B. Okay. And so if I run this code and print all of the S term in here, we will have the 100 and 400. If I use the F in here, and then this F can be replaced with what? The real integer or real variable names in here. For example, if I use the A and B, or define the A and B, and then this A and B is replaced with the what? With these terms. For example, A is assigned to 10 in here, but the mathematical operation is the same with the what? With the arithmetic notation. Okay. So, any question? Okay, let's take a 10 minutes break, and after that we will start to the conditional statements. Okay.